In this video, I will show you how to recall a message in Outlook. This feature isn't guaranteed to work because it depends on whether the recipient's email app has already downloaded or opened the message, but it might be worth a try, so here are the steps. Start a new email. And here I will email myself with a not so nice message, for example. Now that message appears in sent items, so to recall it, click to open the message, and from the toolbar, click Actions and then recall this message. Leave it on the first option, and you can check the bottom checkbox. Now I'll hit the Send Receive, and in this case, I received the email anyway since it's my own email. You can also see the follow-up email notification that the recall failed. Again, there's no guarantee, but it's worth a try if you have no other choice. That's it for this video. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.